what's your sense on the ground? And here I'm asking you to wear your hat in your individual corporate capacity about the GST uptick continuing. There are some people who say, demand cannot remain at the same extent, but let's take the auto sector. Automobiles seem to be flying off the shelf. So is the GST-led uptick going to be sustainable?
Absolutely. As I shared, 2.4 lakh crore going into the hands of the consumer. There would have been maybe some waiting that would have happened before September 22nd. Then you had the festive season. So the kind of growth may not sustain at that level, but overall the level of growth will be higher than what has happened in the past. We've had demand as maybe the bane or the only challenge in the industry. I think that will be taken care of going forward.
Okay, if demand is going to be taken care of, what would you say on that question that's asked often of people like you, that private sector in India is not investing enough, that it is not creating fresh capacity, and the last 3-4 years private Capex has lagged, particularly in contrast to government Capex, that it's been left to the government of India to do the heavy lifting, whereas private companies are happier extending their margins?
I would in part agree to that. I think on the demand side, certainly that has been one area which has stopped Capex from happening. But as I said, utilization levels are going up, and as post that, we will see some Capex increasing. On the industry side, where I think we can do better is look at global markets. Look at understanding consumers in EU, looking at understanding consumers in US, making products for them, catering the entire...
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.